Good morning, this is Tracy from T-Dogs Woodworks, and today I'll be unboxing my 18-volt cordless 7 1/4 inch miter saw with laser from Ryobi. I saw this online last week and I ordered it, and it took like 2 or 3 days to come in. The reason I bought such a small miter saw is I'm going to be doing a lot of trim work, and I don't feel like lugging a whole ton of equipment around, and this one's operated by a battery, so it's much easier to use and lighter. So here we go. First off, instructions. Looks like the batteries for the laser. Head to the side. Like a hold down for the wood. To the side, classic dust bag. See how well that works. Usually don't work very well, but we'll see. Looks like a carrying handle. That'll make it much easier to move around. And there's the top. It's pretty light. Oh yeah. Get this box out of the way. There it is. Very light, compact. Most of your cuts you can only do a maximum of maybe, I'd say a 2x4 is the max you can do. That would be great for trim work. To check it out later on. Not bad. I like the fact that it has a battery. It only cost me $99 for this thing through HomeDepot.com. Alright, I'm going to set it up, put a battery in it, do a couple cuts, check the straightness of it, and I'll get right back to you.